Good morning student, welcome to the online classes. This is the third chapter of class 12th mathematics, that is introduction to matrices. First of all, I want to define what is a matrix. A matrix is just rectangular arrays of items. A typical matrix is a rectangular array of number arranged in row and column. In general language, we define matrix as the arrangement of numbers in row and column. For example, A is a matrix of order 3 into 4. Here there are 3 row and 4 column. जनरली हम डिफाइन करते हैं एक मैट्रिक्स को कि नंबर का अरेंजमेंट एक बॉक्स में जिसमें रो होता है और कॉलम होता है, दैट इज डिफाइंड एज मैट्रिक्स. नाउ साइजिंग ऑफ ए मैट्रिक्स, it can be of 2 order, it can be of 3 order. So by convention, matrices are sized using the number of rows and number of column. For example, in first matrix it is of order 3 into 4, that is 3 row and 4 column. In second matrix this is of order 3 row and 3 column. Third matrix is an order of 4 row and 2 column, that is 4 into 2. And fourth matrix is an order of 1 row and 2 column, 1 into 2. In Hindi we can define matrix. Sizing of a matrix means matrix can be of any order. किसी भी ऑर्डर का मैट्रिक्स हो सकता है. 2 into 3, 3 into 4, 4 into 3, 5 into 2. That stands for number of rows and number of column. Now types of matrices. Matrices के different types होते हैं. Row matrices, a matrices which has only one row called row matrix. जिस मैट्रिक्स में केवल सिंगल रो होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ वी राइट 1 2 3 मीन्स इट कॉन्टेन्स ओनली सिंगल रो एंड 3 कॉलम. तो इसका ऑर्डर क्या होगा? दैट विल बी 1 into 3. कॉलम मैट्राइसेज, a matrices which has only one column is called column matrices. Example 1 2 3 is that contains only single column and 3 row. तो order will be 3 into 1. In हिंदी we can say कि जिस मैट्रिक्स में केवल एक ही कॉलम होता है उसको हम कॉलम मैट्राइसेज बोलते हैं. एग्जाम्पल 1 2 3, तो 3 into 1 इसका ऑर्डर हुआ. Third is a square matrices. Number of the rows and the number of column is same. Means जितना number of row होना चाहिए उतना ही number of column होना चाहिए. For example 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. It contains 9 element. There are 3 row and 3 column. तो its order is 3 into 3. इसमें 9 एलिमेंट हैं तो इनका ऑर्डर 3 रो है 3 कॉलम है, तो इसका ऑर्डर हुआ 3 into 3. नल मैट्राइसेज विच ऑल एलिमेंट इज इक्वल टू 0. नल मैट्राइसेज इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड द जीरो मैट्राइसेज. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 0 0 0 0 0 0 मीन्स इट इज ए मैट्रिक्स ऑफ ऑर्डर 3 into 3 बट ऑल द एलिमेंट्स आर 0. Identity matrix. It is just a square matrix whose main diagonal is essentially value 1 and each of the other element is 0. Means इस आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स में डायगोनल एलिमेंट जो होता है वो 1 1 1 एंड रेस्ट ऑफ ऑल द एलिमेंट अदर देन डायगोनल एलिमेंट शुड बी 0. तो दिस इज ए मैट्रिक्स of order 3 into 3. Now 1 0 0 1, its diagonal element is 1 1, rest all the element is 0. So it is a matrices of order 2 into t. Clear? Now diagonal matrices, a square matrices all of whose element except those in the leading diagonal are 0. That is diagonal matrices. Means diagonal एलिमेंट आई वांट टू क्लियर कि number of rows is equal to number of column. For example, 1, position of 1 is A11, position of 5 is A22, position of 9 is A33. Number of row is equal to number of column. So in diagonal matrices we have seen a square matrices all of whose element except those in the leading diagonal are 0. This is a matrices of order 3 into 3. Now a scalar matrices, a diagonal matrices in which all the elements of main diagonal is same, called scalar matrices. See here, diagonal element is 2, 2, 2. So all is same. So any matrix of a square matrix of order 2 into 2, 3 into 3, 4 into 4 whose diagonal element is same is a scalar matrix. एक डायगोनल मैट्रिक्स में अगर डायगोनल एलिमेंट सेम हो तो उसको हम बोलते हैं स्केलर मैट्राइसेज. ट्रायंगुलर मैट्राइसेज जनरली दो टाइप के होते हैं. अपर ट्रायंगुलर मैट्रिक्स, it is defined as all the below elements are 0, means all the elements below the principal diagonal is 0. See here, in the example of this matrix 1, 2, 3, 0, 4, 5, 0, 0, 6, the diagonal elements are 1, 4, 6 and all the elements below the diagonal is 0, 0, 0. Means all the elements below the diagonal 0 means it is known as upper triangular matrix. In Hindi we can understand that कि जिस स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स के डायगोनल एलिमेंट के नीचे के सारे एलिमेंट अगर 0 होते हैं तो दैट इज डिफाइंड एज अपर ट्रायंगुलर मैट्रिक्स. नाउ लोअर ट्रायंगुलर, all the above element are 0. दिस इज जस्ट द रिवर्स ऑफ अपर ट्रायंगुलर मैट्रिक्स. कि अपर ट्रायंगुलर का जस्ट रिवर्स कि प्रिंसिपल एलिमेंट इसमें 1, 3 और 6 है, उसके जस्ट ऊपर के एलिमेंट को हम देख रहे हैं तो डैट इज 0, 0, 0. तो ऑल द एलिमेंट्स एबव द मेन डायगोनल एलिमेंट इज 0. दिस इज नोन एज लोअर ट्रायंगुलर मैट्रिक्स. नाउ ट्रांसपोज ऑफ ए मैट्रिक्स. Generally we define a matrices obtained by interchanging the rows and column of a matrices A denoted by A dash. For example, consider A is a matrix. Elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is of order T 3 into 3. Now if we interchange the row and column of this matrix, it will we defined as transpose of a matrix. For example, in first column this is 1, 4, 7. First column will be changed into first row 1, 4, 7. Second column is 2, 5, 8. It will change into second row 2, 5, 8. Third column 3, 6, 9. Third column will be changed into third row 3, 6, 9. तो इन हिंदी ट्रांसपोज मैट्रिक्स को हम ऐसे डिफाइन कर सकते हैं कि किसी गिवन मैट्रिक्स के रो को हम कॉलम में चेंज कर देते हैं, कॉलम को हम रो में चेंज कर देते हैं, तो उस मैट्रिक्स को हम बोलते हैं ट्रांसपोज मैट्राइसेज. नाउ सिमेट्रिक मैट्राइसेज, इट इज डिफाइंड एज ए स्क्वायर मैट्राइसेज A is called symmetric matrices if it is equal to its transpose. ट्रांसपोज वो होता है, सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिसेज वो होता है जिसको ट्रांसपोज करने पे कोई इफेक्ट नहीं हो जाए. फॉर एग्जांपल आइडेंटिटी, सी हियर 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1 मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 3, दैट इज सेम 3 डैश 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 3 into 3. Now the most important part is matrix addition. How we add one matrix with another matrix. So there is a rule behind matrix addition. The rule is that the two matrices must be of the same order. Means A is a matrices of 2 into 3 order, तो second matrices B should also be of the same order. If the order of the matrices will not be same, then we cannot add the two matrices. अगर दो मैट्रिक्स का ऑर्डर सेम नहीं होगा तो मैट्रिक्स एडिशन इज नॉट पॉसिबल. Generally we define matrix addition as matrices can be added or subtracted as long as the two matrices are of the same size. Simply add or subtract the corresponding component of each matrix. For example, consider A is a matrix of 2 into 3. It is 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9. B is a matrix of order 2 into 3, 5, 6, 7, 3, 4, 5. Now we are adding matrix A with matrix B, A plus B. Now first element of A will be added with the first element of B, second element of B, A will be added with the second element of B, third element of A will be added with the third element of B. In the same manner we will proceed the division. Now 1 plus 5, 2 plus 6, 3 plus 7, 7 plus 3, 8 plus 4, 9 plus 5. The result of matrix A plus B is 6, 8, 10, 10, 12, 14. Now A plus B and B plus A have the same result. Now matrix subtraction. A have the same value. Now we will multiply all the element of B by the sign of minus. So B will become minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Now A minus B will be 1 minus 5, 2 minus 6, 3 minus 7, 7 minus 3, 8 minus 4, 9 minus 5. So 1 minus 5 that will be equal to minus 4, 2 minus 6 that will be equal to minus 4, 3 minus 7 that will be equal to minus 4. Now 7 minus 3 that is 4, 8 minus 4 that is 4, 9 minus 5 that is 4. So A minus B, the result is minus 4, minus 4, minus 4, 4, 4, 4. मैट्रिक्स मल्टीप्लिकेशन ये थोड़ा सा टिपिकल है बट वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड इट. Multiplying a matrix by a scalar, each element in the matrix is multiplied by the scalar. For example, we consider a matrix A 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9. जैसा हमने एक मैट्रिक्स देखा, ऑर्डर ऑफ दिस मैट्रिक्स इज 2 into 3 and one scalar value is x. 1 into 1 that is 5. Now we have to multiply the scalar value of x with the matrix A. So xa, the each element of this matrix A will be multiplied by this x. So 5 into 1, 5 into 2, 5 into 3, 5 into 7, 5 into 8, 5 into 9. So 5 into 1 that will be 5, 5 into 2 that will be 10, 5 into 3 that will be 15, 5 into 7 that will be 35, 5 into 8 that will be 40, 5 into 9 that will be 45. Now in Hindi we can explain कि अगर किसी गिवन मैट्रिक्स को हम किसी स्केलर नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो उस मैट्रिक्स का हर एक एलिमेंट उस स्केलर नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई होगा. जैसे हमने एक मैट्रिक्स लिया जिसकी वैल्यू है 1, 2, 3 और 7, 8, 9, एक स्केलर वैल्यू है 5. तो 5 से हम हर एक ए मैट्रिक्स के एलिमेंट को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. 5 into 1, 5 into 2, 5 into 3, 5 into 7, 5 into 8, 5 into 9. तब वो मैट्रिक्स का स्केलर के साथ जो मल्टीपल बना that is 5, 10, 15, 35, 40, 45. Now reducing a square matrices. Reducing the square matrices. The sum of the diagonal of a square matrices. Here the sum of the diagonal elements are 7, 4 and 9. Now we have to reduce. We will add all these elements of a square matrix. 7 plus 4 plus 9, that will be equal to 20. Now reducing a square matrices. Now we have to go through how we will reduce the value of matrices. So one simple trick, that is, we will write the given matrix in the form of determinant. In the form of determinant. तो what is determinant? Determinant क्या होता है? Determinant of a matrix is a scalar representation of matrix. Consider the volume of the matrix, or in the case of a VCV matrix, it is generalized variance. Only square matrices have determinant. Determinant are also useful because they tell us whether or not a matrix can be inverted. Next, not all square matrices can be inverted, must be full rank non-singular matrix. In Hindi we understand generally कि when we write a matrix, अगर किसी मैट्रिक्स को हम मॉड के फॉर्म में लिखते हैं तो वो होता है मैट्रिक्स का डिटर्मिनेंट. डिटर्मिनेंट हम उसी मैट्रिक्स का फाइंड कर सकते हैं जो मैट्रिक्स क्या है, स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स है. मीन्स नंबर ऑफ रो और नंबर ऑफ कॉलम उसका इक्वल है. तो इट विल बी ऑफ 2 into 2, इट विल बी ऑफ 3 into 3, इट विल बी ऑफ 4 into 4. But generally we have to go through a order of 2 into 2 and determinant of a matrix of order 3 into 3. Now see, reducing a square matrices. For example, if a matrix is of order 1 into 1, अगर कोई मैट्रिक्स एक ही ऑर्डर का है 1 into 1, then generally its value is same. Now if a matrix is of order of 2 into 2, so we have to multiply the first element, position of first element A11 into, we will proceed and order A1 into B2 minus B1 into A2. For example, see 3 2 5 1 is a matrix of order 2 into 2. So 3 into 1 minus 5 into 2, that will be 3 minus 10 is equal to minus 7. Now how we will reduce a square matrices in the form of determinant? Consider A1 B1 C1, A2 B2 C2, A3 B3 C3. So generally there are 6 methods of reducing a square matrices in determinant: expanding along R1, expanding along R2, expanding along R3, expanding along C1, expanding along C2, expanding along C3. किसी स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स के 3 ऑर्डर को हम डिटर्मिनेंट में चेंज करने के लिए 6 मेथड है. आइदर बाय R1 के लॉन्ग, R2 के लॉन्ग, R3 के लॉन्ग, या C1 के लॉन्ग, C2 के लॉन्ग, C3 के लॉन्ग. हमने इस मैट्रिक्स में देखा है कि इट हैज़ एक्सपेंडेड थ्रू R1. तो वी विल रिप्लेस द एलिमेंट लाइंग अलोंग द A1, means A1 B1 C1 A2 A1 A2 A3 lying along first element, it will be replaced. Now multiply the rest part of the, so in the form of second order of determinant B2 C2 B3 C3. Now we have to apply the even odd funda. Position of B1 is, it is first row and second column. 1 plus 2 is 3, odd. So we will multiply by the minus 1. So minus B1, sign of determinant, replace A1 B1 C1 B2 B3 minus B1 A2 C2 A3 C3. Now plus C1, replace A1 B1 C1 C1 C2 C3. Now A2 B2 A3 B3 C3 into 3 2 minus 2 0 minus 1 5 1 3 4 5. तो now we will expand along R1. तो 2 replace 2 minus 2 0 minus 1 3. Now 5 into 5 multiplied minus 4 into 1. Now symbol of minus 1. Now second element minus 2 into, now replace 2 minus 2 0 5 4. तो minus 1 multiplied by 5 minus 1 into 3 plus 0. Replace first row and third column. Minus 1 into 5 minus 5 into 3. This become 5 into 5, that will be 25 minus 4 into 1. That will become 2 into 20, that is 40, minus 2 into minus 5 minus 3, that is minus 8 into minus 2, that is minus 16 plus 0. 40 minus 16, the value of determinant become 24.